10-1, 10-11.
To 11:14. $994, 153. He's making some horsepower.
Once you do it once, it'll do it every time.
Are we all driving something today?
Big bong. Steven's kicking booty.
Shane's twin Austin. He's
also going all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive Del Slow.
Yeah.
Yeah. The tunnel's gonna be sweet. You could have exhaust and a turbo.
Yeah, I told him you cut this out, the exhaust could go over the drive shaft.
Yeah,
So much
it's a
room.
little, because of the way the thing dips down in the back, it's kind of got to be low.
Oh, I see.
Just because of this box that they have in the middle of it all.
You get a bit back, but it like is tall and they like shoved it way down.
Yeah. Yeesh.
So that is a little low.
Mm-hmm. So Steven's building a little box, so it's gonna replace the back of that, and then we'll put 2 ears in it, and we'll bolt that back on the back of it so it's got some strength and ride out.
This is from the Freedom Civic, I believe.
Yeah. Yeah, but because this is gonna just replace, and the diffs kind of sit in it almost like the Hub City FCS style, but it'll just have that bolted on the back for support and be inside there.
Dang.
Yeah.
All-wheel driving on the cheap.
Yep. Cheapest of cheap.
Yeah,
But
see,
these will fold inward so they'll box them off.
yeah.
Nice.
We'll make it all nice.
That's sweet.
Give it a little tss, tss, make it nice.
Just cut this out. 2 seconds. Apply the
Yeah.
butter.
But you could do it with a cutoff wheel or whatever you had.
We just went pretty much glue to glue.
Glue to glue.
Measured from those
Nice little
holes.
box.
Yeah, measured from the center of those holes out.
3 inches up. That's 3 1/4, so it's got a little bit of meat.
Yeah, so we got a little bit of play. Hey,
Are you gonna center it, or are you guys gonna put it to the sides?
Wherever it's got to go, we should probably find some axles.
yeah, it's kind of just depending on all that. And because the way our tunnel is, we got kind of a smaller hole to fly through.
It's got to fly.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
A bigger tunnel with a smaller hole. Yeah. Yeah, it's weird.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know who designed these things.
Oh, under.
They were like, we could have made it mid-engine, but, you know, we're lame.
Lame.
Didn't do that,
You didn't do
even though it looks like it'd be a mid-engine car.
And the engine would fit precisely right here.
Yeah.
it. All right, so Austin's got the box cut out. Steven's working on his box over there. Everyone's going trans. We got a whole bunch of box everywhere. All-wheel drive trans, that's all I mean by that. He's going all drive. Getting that 4-legged squat going on. Fuel Tech the world. So we popped the box out. Step 1. Step 2. Pop the box in. Step 3. Connect the diff to the box. Where the axles are gonna land. And we need to do the all-wheel drive into the hubs. Yeah. Oh shoot, Steven's box is going in. Snug as a bug in a rug.
It's the bottom side.
Yeah.
It's the bottom on the left.
I'll take the bottom.
Maybe the right. I think it's the left. All Now Steven's going back in with his plate, his blocks. Oh yeah, that's already looking prettier. I don't think in Arizona though, you guys don't get it.
Huh?
No, I wish we were more like you.
Hold it up there?
That's for the all-wheel drive in the knuckle.
Like that, right? Yeah.
Like right now.
Oh.
our time is-
That's that.
Just 2 fucking halves. Just did.
Yeah, it's dark.
Right? You're not going to put a bar in there.
Yeah.
Do it off a bar.
Do a bar across here.
Yeah.
I just say
For more strength if we need it. That's stronger than what was in there.
Oh, wow. Pull it all down. Roll across top. Roll across every side.
Rocking and rolling. Looks nice. It'll get the job done. It'll get the job done. Over here, they're going crazy. Burning it in. Steven's burning the dip in there. Kick butt. Only a couple hours, ready to rock. Steven and Austin been kicking butt. Steven's working on getting the top part of the diff mount done. He's already got a lure box in there with a little tube and their gussets and stuff. It's kick ass. Looking good. Need to get the trans swapped out of this thing to the all-wheel drive one and fix up his new radiator support stuff that he's got going on with this bigger radiator and stuff, because it's tight with the exhaust there. But once we get it adjusted, it'll be nice. It'll be nice.
Wait, don't you want like...
That's on the ground.
Okay, I'll put that front side. I'm in the way right now.
Oh, watch me.
Alright, so Steven and Austin got his hubs all knocked out and welded up. Looking killer. Just got the drive shaft back. So we're looking at getting the viscous mounted. Just kind of similar, same way as Freedom Civics and flat strap. Drive shaft. All that. So we're knocking this thing out, working our way down the line. Still got to get the shifter and cables all set up in it, and the axles and the hubs dialed in inside the knuckles or trailing arms. But it's coming along really, really good. It's kicking butt. All right. Austin got his inside hubs, and we are getting these things bolted together. Shout out to Amazon. Freaking everything is dialed, so get these things bolted up real quick. Keep rocking.
Keep on rocking.
Keep on rocking. All right. Some more bolts. We'll bolt them both together and be ready to rock and get this thing axles and rear diff all set up and frick shifter away from being ready to rip around all-wheel drive. We got the shifter. We just need to set it all up.
Yep.
Put it in.
Got everything. Just Keep rocking.
Should keep rocking.
I'm pretty sure it's in. Yeah. Set it down. If I pause you first.
Or so is this the last time it's going in for
Dude, that was pretty cool.
a little while?
Yeah, see how we spaced out the coilovers too on the lower right here? Because it's the sphericals, we were able to
Yeah.
modify the fronts and add some washers in the back.
I mean, people will talk crap on it, dude, but like a stack of washers will go a long way.
Forward with this one. Ooh, right there.
Where's the bolt at?
Where's the bolt?
Is this one?
Ooh, yeah, those 17.
Yeah, I like that mount you guys made.
Oh, that's interesting.
Huh.
This one's small and goes inside. This one's big and stays outside.
Yeah, right?
That's interesting. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll pop those off too. I'm just kidding. And they're all the way in, I feel like.
Okay, now.
That's not too long.
You spin that wheel
That's
the
not-
other way.
That's nice. That's
Okay.
nice.
Okay, yeah.
This is nice.
We just couldn't unload it.
I like this.
It is
Nice.
open
This is
still.
nice. Very good, everybody.
Okay. Very good. Very, very good.
Shout out to Northern Colorado Drivetrain.
I like how
They
they put
get
the
us
sticker.
dialed in. We just changed the radiator sport, so we got to finish putting the coolant stuff together, the exhaust all back on the turbo.
I checked, it was.
I mean, what do they recommend? Do they just want them like as straight as possible, or?
Well, I mean, so yeah, S1 built. Steven and Austin put the diff a little bit more forward than most people. S1 kicks it back a little bit and has them super straight. But this barely, I mean, I don't even think that's maybe 5 degrees, if that, you know? And
Yeah.
yeah, so it's not really anything on the axles. I think it should be sick. And they have lots of plunger room, so it's not like they're bottomed out or anything.
Yeah, it spins good.
Fit well.
Snipers, Batman! We got all-wheel drive! Pretty sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. And all of it's built by Shane, Austin, and Steven.
Yeah, this came together pretty
Steven,
quick.
Austin, and Shane. Austin, Steven, and Shane. Yeah. And the Northern Colorado Driveline did all the shaft, balance, everything. Stock CRV trans for now, but it's a good place to start. We got a couple things to do, finish up. We just did a new radiator support, so we got to run the lines and mount the radiator and all that stuff, as well as get the exhaust and everything hooked back up. Oil in the stuffs, you know, in the rear diff, as well as the transmission, and put the shifter on, and he's ready to go start making some hits. Super awesome. We got the S1 built locker block, just the straight up block in the diff here. Jamie welded up the shaft. We watched their video, super good, straightforward video on putting this thing together. And so we're just looking at finishing up this fuel system and getting him ready to rock. I'm pretty pumped up. It's gonna be sick. Austin should be out ripping soon. I hope you guys are excited. We're all pumped up. PFI Speedfest is a month away now, so stay tuned. May 3rd. It's coming up. It's a good build. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Peace out.